Now, les participes passés, the past participle, means we get them, this is the first group. The past participle is taken from the verb, but it's not we create them, it has been given to us. So we are going to take only the first one, the first group, but every verb has its past participle. You will have to read about it. But here are some examples. We have verb of first group ending with ER. It takes E with an accent. Okay? So we say the verb manger. Past participle will be manger. The verb to eat. Tomber, to fall. Past participle also tomber. Étudier, to study. Past participle, étudier. Parler, to speak. Past participle, parler. Rester, to stay. Past participle, rester. First group, by default, it takes E with accent to become a past participle. Okay?